Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the AND operator. So the AND operator works on a binary level. Even if you specify a number, for example, you will literally get the binary equivalent of that number and you'll perform the operation. You could specify a binary value directly if you wanted to. It doesn't really matter. So let me first of all just do a quick recap on what the AND operation is. So I'm going to do 8-bit number, so 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. Okay, so if we have, let's do the number 8, which is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so that's the number 8. If I have the number, let's say 28, so that's 0, 0, 0, 0, no, it's 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. If you do the AND operation on here, it goes from the right and it says 0, 0. For the AND operation, both of the bits have to be 1 or on for it to result in 1. Otherwise, if only 1 is on, then it will result in a 0. So what this will result in, I'll just quickly write it, just due to the format. But again, you will go from the right. This will be 0. This will be 1. This will be 0. Let me explain. So you do 0 and 0. Both are zeros. We get 0. 0 and 0. Both are zeros. We get 0. 0 and 1. We need both of them, both bits, to be 1, so we get 0. But 1 and 1, both of them are on, aka 1, so we get 1, and it's the same principle throughout. So if you do the AND operation on 8 and 28, you will get the number 8. That doesn't mean you're always going to get the smallest number. You might just get a totally different number altogether. Because for example, if this was a 1, this will be a 1 now, and we get again, it's probably not the best example, but I think you understand what I mean. You're not always going to get the same number. We're going to use this example, and what we're going to do at the moment, just prints out all of hello world. We're going to move into the ESP register because it's not being used by anything. The number, what was it? It was 8 and the number 28. So 8. Then we're going to move into the EBP register, the number 28. To do the AND operator, you just do AND, then you specify 2 operands. The first one has to be basically a storage container like a register, because the value of the resulting AND operation will be stored in there. So we'll put ESP, EBP. You could specify a number directly instead of EBP. I was going to put EBP. I run that, we'll get no errors. And if I put ESP now, we should only have 8 characters printed. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's that simple. That's all there is to using the AND operator. Feel free to experiment with it. I highly recommend that you do. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.